Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Versace model, Tribute Collection VE4353, in color code 5383/87. It's a black-yellow frame with the Baroque design. You have the Versace Medusa emblem in gold on the side of the temples, as well for this side. This frame is made in Italy, and this is the serial number. The lenses are a solid gray cat eye shape. They are RXable with a saddle bridge design. Up here we have the Versace gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity booklet, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.